If you read from the scriptures above, before getting this one, he said, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. This was Jesus talking. He said, the Spirit of the Lord was upon me because he has anointed me to do what? First assignment, preach the gospel to the poor. Second assignment, to do what? He has sent me to heal the brokenhearted, to proclaim liberty to the captives, to recovery of sight to the blind, to set at liberty those who are oppressed. Jesus did not walk out of his assignment.
Jésus n'a pas marché hors de
But
sa
he
vie.
had a call as a prophet.
Mais il avait l'appel à
But
sa
could
propre.
not just come
Mais ce n'est pas juste
and manifest without having what? An assignment.
et manifester sans devoir.
Now,
Maintenant,
the absence of a vision
l'absence de
in
vision,
a man's life
dans la vie,
is the absence of an assignment.
c'est l'absence de devoir.
Every man that is called by God
Tout homme appelé par
has
Dieu
an assignment.
a un devoir.
I can be called a
Je
prophet
peux être appelé
that
prophète,
decide
mais son
to pick somebody else's assignment.
mais je décide de prendre le devoir du
I'm
monde.
doing the work of God,
Amen.
but I will not be fulfilling the purpose of my assignment.
Mais je ne vais pas accomplir le but de mon devoir.
I can belong to the choir.
Je peux appartenir
I
à la
am
chorale.
rendering an assignment to God.
Je chante pour
But
le
was I called in that domain?
Mais est-ce que je suis appelé? Alors,
As a servant of God,
en tant qu'enfant de Dieu,
you must know where,
tu dois connaître
how,
comment
and why
et pourquoi
God created you.
Dieu t'a créé.
In that way, you can walk in the purpose.
En ce moment, tu pourras
In
marcher.
that way, you can walk in the
En
assignment.
ce moment, tu pourras
Show
marcher.
me a man
Montre-moi un homme
that is walking in a call
qui marche dans la
and is
terre
succeeding.
et qui
I will
réussit.
show you a
Et
man
je te
that
montrerai
has
un homme
a vision
qui a une vision
and is walking in his
et
assignment.
qui marche dans son devoir.
The absence of positivity
Ils ont le sens de
in a man's
dans la
call is
paix,
the absence of the reality of a true vision.
de la vraie vision.
Don't bother mama while your mates are prophesying, you cannot
Ne
prophesy.
t'inquiète pas pourquoi notre prophétie.
Not everybody was called to prophesy.
Ce n'est pas tout le monde qui a
John
appelé
the
à prophétie.
Baptist was a prophet,
Jean-Baptiste,
but was only called
mais il était appelé
to make the path for Jesus.
de mettre la route pour Jésus.
And the day he went out of that assignment,
Et le jour où il est allé pour ce devoir,
his head was on the tree. He said, go and make the path for my son. He leave assignment, go the judgment and go kill.
il a laissé le devoir et allé juger les problèmes du roi.
So listen to me.
Écoute-moi,
Most of the times our lives are not working.
beaucoup de fois,
Not
nous ne
because
marchons
God is not alive,
pas parce que Dieu
but
n'est pas là,
because we have left the place of assignment.
mais parce que nous avons laissé la place de notre devoir.
You cannot drink from a well
Tu ne peux boire de l'eau.
that you are not connected to.
Tu ne peux boire d'un puits que tu n'es pas
Can
connecté.
I talk to you?
Puis-je te parler?
There is no outcome
Il n'y a pas d'appel
in a man's life,
dans la vie de l'homme,
even though he's serving God
même s'il sert
in
Dieu
the wrong assignment.
dans un mauvais devoir.
Now there is a problem now.
Il y a un problème maintenant.
Can God give a pastor assignment under another pastor?
Est-ce que Dieu peut donner le pasteur le devoir d'un pasteur sous un autre pasteur?
Can I talk to you?
Puis-je te parler?
This morning,
Ce matin,
I want to say something.
j'aimerais dire quelque
But what
chose.
I'm about to say now,
Mais ce que je suis sur le point de dire maintenant
it's going to bring a lot of diversity.
va prendre beaucoup de
But the
dimensions.
Bible says,
Mais la Bible dit,
I pray they have what? Understanding.
je prie qu'ils aient la compréhension.
See, listen to me.
Écoute-moi,
The day you become submitting,
le jour où tu vas être soumis,
Mama, don't ask God for assignment. Do you know why you submit?
est-ce que tu sais pourquoi tu
You
te soumis?
submit to partake in a man's assignment.
Tu